Hi children and viewers. In previous video you learned about the what is vector, what is scalar and what is distance and what is displacement. If you didn't watch that video, first you go for that video and coming to the next this video. After watching that video only you must be watch this video. Clear? So children, today we are going to learn what is speed, what is velocity, and what is instantaneous speed, and what is average speed, and what is average velocity. So we are going to the definitions now here. Speed, what is speed, velocity, and average velocity and average speed. So we are going to learn these definitions. So here now, what is speed? The rate of distance covered by the body is called speed. The rate of distance covered by the body. The rate of distance covered by the body is called speed. Simply we can write now here speed is equals to distance by time. Here rate means not price. Don't think like that. Rate means the rate of distance covered means rate means not price. You don't think like that. Rate means we are comparing the changes with respect to the time. We are comparing the changes in the physical quantity with respect of time. Then only we can use the word rate. Clear? The rate of distance covered is called speed. Speed is equals to distance by time. So here now, speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar. What do you mean by scalar? The physical quantity which has only magnitude but no direction. That is what we call scalar. So while we are in journey, we can find some stones just beside the R&B stones will be there. On that some number will be there. Hyderabad 140 kilometers, Karnataka 140 kilometers, Warangal 130, like that. So here that is the magnitude, 130 kilometers, 120 kilometers, like that. So now here from that speed is equals to distance by time. Now what are the units? Units of speed is what? In previous class we learned CGS units of distance. CGS units of distance is what? Centimeter by time. CGS unit of time is what? Second. Centimeter per second is the unit. We can measure the speed in terms of centimeter per second in system of CGS. I hope you all of you know about the CGS, FPS and SI. I hope you all of you learned in previous classes 6th, 7th, 8th, like that. So that's why I am not going to that particular point. So simply in CGS, centimeter per second. In the same manner in SI system, for distance what you have? Meter per second. So this is about the speed definition. Speed definition, units and formula. If your body is moving 120 meters in 5 seconds, then what is its speed? So problem should be like this here. So problem here, I am explaining example problem here. Body speed is what? Body means what? Anything, car, like that. Speed is what? 120 km per hour. 120 km per hour. So for time how much it is there? So for example here I am saying now here 1 hour. That means what I am taking here 2 km per hour. Here speed, not the speed is done here. Just simple. First I am taking here now distance covered. Distance covered is 120 meters. 120 meters. For time here I am taking now here some 20 seconds. The distance covered by the body is 120 meters, time is 20 seconds. Then find its speed. That is the question here. Then how we can do that? Simple. What is your formula? Speed is equals to distance by time. Then you write that 120 by 20. Then what you get? 2 1s are 2 6 are. Then what is speed? 6 meters per second. 6 meters per second. So in this way we can find out the speed. Clear? So this is the information about the speed. What is speed? Speed means the rate of displacement covered by the body or object. Or here generally body means here nothing but any vehicle should be taken as body here now. Don't forget that. So the distance covered, the rate of distance covered by the body in particular time is called here speed. Simply the rate of distance covered is called speed. The formula is what? Distance by time. Units are what? Centimeter per second in CGS and meter per second in SI. Clear? Speed is a scalar quantity, it has no direction. Clear? Now one problem will be there. What is that? I am saying that one body is covered 120 meters displacement in 20 seconds. If a body can cover 120 meter displacement in 20 seconds, then what is its speed? Then how we can find out? By using this formula. Speed is equals to distance by time. What you are saying that the distance covered is how much? 120 meters. And time is what? 20 seconds. So we have to substitute the values in the formula. Distance by time is, distance is given 120 meters and time is given 20 seconds. Then what you get? 6 meters per second. So this is about the speed. And now here sometimes you may use word instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. What is mean by instantaneous meaning? So generally sometimes we may listen instant coffee, instant dosa, like that. So what is mean by instant coffee, instant dosa? That means the particular item is prepared on that time for a particular instant of time. That's why instant. So it's very fresh. So generally sometimes we can call special choice, specialty. When you went to some hotel, you will prepare some special choice. Special choice means what? They will make them instantaneously. So like that, instantaneous speed means the speed of the body at particular instant of time. Speed of the body at particular instant of time. That is what we call instantaneous speed. For example, you can observe in a car, in a bus, for a two-wheeler, any two-wheeler, some speedometer will be there. Speedometer, speed readings will be shown. So like this, some readings will be there, some needle will be there. While the vehicle is in motion, it will show some readings. So the reading shown by the speedometer in the vehicle is the instantaneous speed. The speed of the body at any instant of time is called instantaneous speed. For example, we are traveling a bus. Somebody made a call to you. So they will ask some first question. Where are you? In bus. Where are you now? In bus. Where is the bus now? Then you tell some place. You must be says some place. That means you will say where is the bus. So when you got call from your friend, you have to say where is your location. That is the instantaneous. Like that. So instantaneous speed means speed of the body at any instant of time. Clear? And now here, what is velocity? What is velocity? So here velocity should be written as velocity is equals to displacement by time. displacement by time. As usual, what is speed? Speed is equals to distance by time. So here, what is the definition of speed? The rate of distance covered by the body is called its speed. Now, same definition, instead of distance, what I have to say? Displacement. The rate of displacement covered by the body is called its velocity. Clear? The rate of displacement covered by the body is called velocity. If the rate of distance covered is speed, rate of displacement is covered is velocity. Got children? So here I told you what's that? Speed is scalar. Now velocity is vector. What is that? Velocity is vector quantity. Vector quantity. So vector quantity means that should be having both magnitude and direction. For example, the same problem previously I discussed. A body can cover displacement 120 meters in each direction in 20 seconds. If the body covers displacement of 120 meters in east direction in 20 seconds, then what is the velocity in its east direction? So that means in this case what we are saying, some direction is there, 120 displacement is there, magnitude something there, direction also there. That's why here velocity is the vector quantity. So now here one common point is there, that is units are what? Here CGS unit centimeter per second, meter per second. In CGS centimeter per second, in SI meter per second. So CGS same thing, they have same units, but both are different. Velocity and speed both are different in this case. So but our common quantity is that, what is that? They have same. And you have to notice that in straight line motion, in a translatory motion, in a rectilinear motion, all are same. In a straight line motion, distance, displacement both are same. Distance and displacement both are same. At the same time, in straight line motion, speed and velocity both are same. So children, so this is about the information about the difference between speed and velocity. Got children? So we will find new more videos, new more topics in the coming videos. Children, I hope you understand this video. So if you can understand, like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. So tomorrow in this video, coming video, we are going to discuss about the average velocity, average speed, how we can find out the average speed and average velocity experimentally. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.